AMPG Stock Monday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. So Amplitech Stock or Amplitech Group has been sitting at $2.31, 5% up. So where are we heading next? First things first, this looks like a phenomenal shift up, and last week performance was cool, like 166%. We don't see these weeks that much. I mean, I see some crazy weeks here. That was in January 2021, which we went up 139%. This is 166. It's all relative, but you do see that I did not sell out, you know, on those buys. Like, people that are making videos only with these things are hype. The thing is that, I mean, I've done 32,000 videos and spent thousands of dollars on course and mentorships, and I've seen this thing happen over and over again. That's why I was not like on all the schlong, you know, taking this thing up. But more so if the price starts breaking beneath 152 and then gives me a double break, then this is something that I'll short. On the other side, like right here, not really, man. Like, I'm not even looking for a long. Maybe it's gonna be a bullish market for me if it starts breaking above 316 yet again, but we're not there yet. So I'll definitely keep you updated. If you want to learn the strategy, there is a free newsletter, and I'll see you in the next one.